Morning team, it's Tuesday, October 17. It's another decent day of news wise. There is something in London Open around half morning, in New York. I mean, yesterday too, but price action was really choppy. That said, there were opportunities. I fucked up on a long. I took a break even. That was a win because I moved the stop loss, and it is what it is. Okay, let's have a look at charts. Yesterday we print a green, pretty fat candle. I mean, it's not huge. It's 50 pips, but it's decent. The most important thing to notice here is that we formed a swing low. Okay, so we make liquidity, and it's kind of bullish in the short term. Okay, yeah, weekly doesn't say nothing yet. Let's go to hourly charts. H12, pretty much the same thing of daily, doesn't tell me anything new, but H4 start to say something new. I think that this bullish close, it's not random. As I said yesterday when we were talking about daily, that I say like this BMS is not random, this one. And indeed we pushed from daily discount. Wait, let's go to a clean one. This was the daily BMS move, and I think that we pushed from the OT area. Everybody was bearish, and I don't know, we pushed. So nothing like super complicated to see here, you know, like daily BMS, we pull back, we push. Now we are kind of back in premium. Not kind, we are back in premium. You see, we went above the 50%. So technically, if price action is bearish, we can easily go back down. Okay, problem is that we BMS'd several hourly structure, H4 and H1. This was relevant to me, this one even more. So I think that we are not down pushing higher, but also who am I to say that? So I just gonna react to what I see. But for now, this is a breaker, and this is a valid H1 bullish order block, this one. So I think that we may see some long opportunities here soon. I don't know, this Asia high looks, I mean, allora, let's go. For sure there is liquidity here, okay, 100%. But doesn't mean that we're gonna go down back right now and take this liquidity, okay? This can be left for later. Also there is liquidity here. Well, let's go to the time frame. Just to let you know that this is a breaker. This H1 is a breaker for me now, and this is another block. So I think that this is hourly sponsorship, the one I look for when I want price action to confirm me for longs. But that's not enough for me to go long. I need M15 to confirm me. Okay, let's go to the time frame. So I show you better what I meant. So listen, there is liquidity here, 100% liquidity, and there is liquidity here and here. Okay, this is, I mean, if you don't recognize liquidity, you better go back and study, because this is clean. So why I'm marking this out? Because I think that this one gonna be left for later, and first we're gonna go above. Why I think so? Well, because BMS H1 and H4. Now I want some untested area to look for longs. I want them to come back down here. Right now the flow is bearish. I mean, why would you look for longs now? I mean, unless you're an hourly trader, then it's all good. For myself, that I'm M50 M1 trader, I cannot long this. Okay, why would I even think about longs yet? This is not for longs. I want them to come back maybe into this origin, accumulate a little bit, right? BMS, and then possibly push it. Okay, something like this would be my dream play. And yes, let's see. This is an untested origin. This is a raid left from yesterday. I don't blindly long here, but I consider this one as a valid sponsorship area for longs. So let's see. That's enough for me for today. I gonna post probably more charts later in the Telegram group, and I like people sharing their own analysis. Okay, you can do that. I love it. I'm happy if you do it. Okay, speak soon. Bye.